And this is a Times Now exclusive. Here's Abhinav Bindra talking to Times Now's Rohan Deshmukh for the very first time after winning the bronze medal in the Incheon Asian Games.
We have with us the bronze medalist from Incheon, Abhinav Bindra with us. Abhinav, you won the bronze medal, but yesterday your Twitter really created kind of a flutter. But
Why
what's
was
really
it a flutter?
No, because people misunderstood the difference between a professional shooter and a hobby shooter. What exactly is it? What is the difference between a professional shooter and now you're becoming a hobby shooter? What is the difference?
Well, shooting is an amateur sport. All Olympic sport is amateur. But people do it professionally because they want to do well for the nation. And by professional, I mean we don't earn money out of it, but we spend our lives doing it. I've done it 20 years, training 40 to 50 hours a week. And from here on, I will not be doing that. I will only be training twice a week. I will still compete domestically, and I will compete at the trials, and I'll see where I stand. Only if I am able to shoot some high world-class scores would I attempt to go to the big competitions.
So clearly people can say, see you in action once again. There is no question of Abhinav Bindra retiring as it's been made out.
Well, I made it clear. I made it quite clear. I'm a hobby shooter. I'm doing it as a hobby. I don't have plans as yet.
Oh, no plans as that. Now, if you look back at all your 20 years, Beijing, obviously the greatest moment, Commonwealth Games as well, now Asiad medal as well. So how do you sum it up?
I did a reasonably good job.
That's very humble for someone who's won India's first Olympic gold medal, but it was something, a memorable journey for you?
Surely.
And now if you look at this Asian Games, happy to have the final Asiad Games that was
I'm absolutely delighted. I think I did very, very well.
One thing I wanted to ask you,
Sure.
You shot two young Chinese shooters, in fact one very young Chinese shooter. And how do you see shooting coming? You see that young shooters are coming up, maybe that's why possibly you're looking at something.
No, I mean, no, not at all. I'm not becoming a hobby shooter because the younger people are coming into it. I don't think that is the reason. I have different challenges than what they have, and one has to overcome those challenges. And I will try to overcome challenges to get better. Maybe training twice a week, my results might even improve. Who knows?
Right.
So let's just wait and see. Let's not jump the gun.
Right, and finally I want to ask you, how you look at the bench strength? After Abhinav Bindra, how you look at the bench?
We have a lot of talent. We have a lot of talent in India, and shooting in India has been delivering so much success, and I'm pretty sure it will continue to.
Thank you very much.